我咧就係喺香港嗰度由細到大啦，咁咧其實一路咧都有啲樹陪住我嘅。我記得我細個嘅時候咧，最中意咧就喺樹蔭下邊等車，因為咧咁樣咧涼涼地啦，又會見到啲陽光咧喺啲樹葉嗰度滲落嚟喎，咁成個人咧就好暖好舒服咁樣樣。夏天就好熱啦，但係有樹去遮一遮咧，我覺得成個人咧都冇咁辛苦。
咁咧，我喺細個嘅時候咧，屋企咧門口就有一棵嘅松樹嘅。嗰棵松樹咧，我由細睇到佢大嘅。但係咧，因為咧城市發展嘅關係咧，嗰棵樹咧就阻住咗一條路去起啦。咁咧，嗰棵樹就斬咗。咁我就係覺得非常之可惜啦。因為嗰棵樹咧係唔單止係承載住我嘅感情啦。
記得有時打完風咧，就會見到仲有啲樹咧，即使俾強風吹拂啦，但係咧佢都仲企咗喺度，冇話冧低啊剩啊。覺得咧佢哋真係好頑強，好有一種香港嘅精神。即係我哋講獅子山精神咧，其實就係講我哋嘅堅毅不拔啊嘛。
I have had my primary school at Collins Hall, and beside our school there was a big old tree which I'm not sure about its kind. At first, it just stood there quietly, and I'm not feeling anything special about the tree itself, including its smell and its shade, until the tree was removed after a typhoon.
冇咗棵樹之後，我先至發現喺搭車嘅時候，再都冇樹蔭可以俾我匿喺下邊乘涼。更加重要嘅係，我亦都冇咗見證住我成長嘅嗰一棵樹。原來樹木喺我哋生活中，其實係承擔咗一個咁重要嘅角色。喺失去之前，我從來都冇諗過呢件事。但係而家慢慢喺我行過嘅時候，見到樹上面飄嚟落葉嘅時候，我都會有啲擔心，我嘅身邊會唔會又失去一棵樹木？
Even as times change, nature remains an integral part of our society.
These trees are ultimately destined to leave us, but at the very least, before they do, let us take a moment to notice and appreciate the quiet, steadfast presence.
They are not merely urban fixtures. They are a part of our city itself.